Welcome to Auto Talks, Saturday, February 27th, 2021, weekly automotive updates. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any video in the future. Hyundai took the wraps off the Ioniq 5 crossover. It's the lead model for a new generation of dedicated EVs and the Ioniq sub-brand. The EV promises a roomy interior, snappy acceleration, a futuristic digital cluster, and a AR-infused HUD. Later, Kia unveiled the Carnival, a multi-purpose vehicle that will replace the Sedona minivan. Motional has gone driverless. The joint venture between Hyundai and Aptiv says it has conducted tests without a safety driver behind the wheel in Las Vegas. The autonomous vehicles navigated intersections, unprotected turns, and road environments with pedestrians. Since becoming a joint venture with Hyundai and Aptiv in March 2020, Motional has very quickly joined an elite group of companies that have successfully removed the driver from the behind the wheel. Interestingly, Motional outsourced an audit from a third-party company, TÜV, to ensure it met appropriate safety standards prior to attempting this autonomous feat. The company has promised it will deliver autonomous fleet vehicles to operators such as Lyft sometime in the year 2022. Toyota teaming up with Aurora Denso for autonomous vehicles. The largest automaker in the world has teamed up with Aurora, an autonomous vehicle startup founded by Chris Urmson, former head engineer of Google's self-driving car project, to develop a fleet of a robotaxi. Aurora will start by retrofitting the Toyota Sienna minivan and work to mass-produce a full-scale ride-hailing operation with Toyota. Aurora recently acquired Uber's self-driving unit late last year. Ford CEO Jim Farley said that we need to bring battery production to the US. Farley pointed to EV production efficiency as a primary reason for batteries to be made domestically. Farley also added that insourcing is important to legacy automakers like Ford. This statement comes 2 weeks after SK Innovation, Ford's battery supplier, lost an intellectual property case to LG Chem. As a result of the case, SK Innovation has been barred from importing batteries to the US for the next 10 years. Tesla's California factory shut down for 2 days this week due to part shortage. In a message sent to staff, Elon Musk said EV maker did some equipment upgrades and maintenance during the downtime. Tesla will rapidly ramp up to full production of the Model 3 and Model Y vehicles over the next several days. A source saying backlogs at ports and severe snowstorms have caused the supply chain issues. Fisker has yet to produce a saleable vehicle, but has partnerships with Magna and Foxconn to produce its EVs. EV startup Fisker is considering setting up a battery cell manufacturing facility in either the USA or Europe in an effort to secure key components. CEO Henry Fisker alluded to a partnership with an unidentified major supplier on the venture. EV maker Lucid Motors is going public through a reverse merger with a special purpose acquisition company. The combined entity will be valued at $24 billion. The transaction is expected to close in Q2. Dealers cannot get enough of the mini electric hatchback. The two-door subcompact has been surprisingly successful for the brand. The car's 110-mile range hasn't been a detractant, and it's attracted new buyers to the brand in a market that has shifted to light trucks. According to AAA's annual Automated Vehicle Survey, U.S. consumers are still hesitant about the idea of riding in a self-driving vehicle. In the latest poll, just 14% of the drivers said they would trust riding in a full autonomous vehicle, up slightly from last year. In the same study, the majority of drivers, about 80%, said they want current vehicle safety systems, like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assistance, to work better, and more than half, 58%, said they want these systems in their next vehicle. The 2010 interview survey was conducted January 15th to 17th, 2021, using a probability-based panel designed to be representative of the U.S. household population overall. This concludes the weekly update. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Auto Talks.